The powder-actuated nail fastener.
Say hello to my little friend.
Much quicker than drilling or hammering in nails or fasteners, powder-actuated tools are powered by small explosive charges that propel steel nails into concrete or masonry, even steel. These charges are triggered when a firing pin strikes a primer in the base of the cartridge. The primer ignites the main charge of powder, and the hot gases released by the explosion accelerate the nail out of the muzzle. If you think this tool operates on the same principle as a firearm, you're correct. This is a .22 caliber blank load. These charges are available in a range of strengths, which are color-coded as brown on the low end to red on the more potent end of the scale. For this particular most basic model, you load your steel nail, fasteners called drive pins, in this end. These rubber fins help keep the fastener centered. Then insert a charge here while making sure you've expelled the previous spent cartridge. In high-velocity models, the propellant charge acts directly on the fastener. In a process similar to a firearm, the rapidly expanding gases propel the nail along the entire length of the barrel and out. Low-velocity models like this one use a piston to knock the nail forward, which then drives the fastener into the substrate. When you securely press the tip against the surface you want to fasten, the firing mechanism will be cocked. Where's the trigger? There is none for this model. It's hammer actuated, hence the name, Hammer Shot. I use the small mallet. Eye and ear protection are crucial. Also, to safely operate the nail gun, it needs to be pushed solidly at a 90-degree angle against the surface of the material you're nailing into and through. Firmly holding the tool, give the head a sharp whack, and boom! Ramset, the manufacturer of this tool, urges users to take and pass their powder-actuated tool certification course before operating a Ramset powder-actuated tool that uses powder loads, and carry your license wherever operating a powder-actuated tool. I did not know that. Not since the invention in China sometime in the first millennium has gunpowder been put to such constructive uses as in the powder-actuated nail fastener. Say hello to my little friend. As I put it up against my crotch and then I shoot bombs with it.